morning, lesson students. It's Ms. Striggles coming to you today. I'm coming to review a project with you that we've started when you guys left. You guys will be working on your digital self-portraits, and I'll be reviewing that with you today. So before we get started, I want to introduce you to two famous artists who've done portrait paintings of women called Women in a Hat. The first artist is Henri Matisse, and here's his portrait right here. The other artist that we're inspired by is Pablo Picasso, and he also did a woman in a hat. As you see, both of these artists have two different styles, so hopefully that you'll be inspired by one of them. Okay, before we get started, I want to do a review of where you can find sketches. You will go to self-service, open it up, and download it. Once it's downloaded, it looks like this with a pen on it. And that's the one you want to have on your tablet. Okay, so step one. The first thing you're going to do is take a self-portrait of yourself. If you guys remember, I showed you this. I already had taken a self-portrait of myself. And then you're going to incorporate this into Sketches. Once you open up Sketches, you'll come to a blank page. If it's not a blank page, you'll go up to the top middle rectangle and press on that, and that'll give you a brand new blank page. Also, right next to that are three dots. Those three dots is the one you want to press on. In the middle, it'll show a down arrow, which means download. Press on it, and then it'll show in the middle, camera, photo, and files. You're going to open up photo because you're going to your photos that you've taken already. Once you go into photos, you're gonna download your self-portrait. This is the self-portrait I had taken, and you're gonna use the paint to overlay different colors and design it however you would like. And use your tools over on the left-hand side, and you're going to use the paint colors over here. So maybe I want to use the crayon. That's the crayon. And you're just going to overlay. Again, if you get too close, you can always zoom in to see exactly what you're doing. You're going to lay over the paint and come up with something creative and unique. And I would love to see what you come up with. I'll show you my finished project. So this is the same photo that my self-portrait. I need to work on the eyes. If you can see, I need to kind of zoom in again. Oops, if you mess up like that, press the back arrows. You use two fingers to zoom in and out to get closer. But this is the exact same photo that I took. I just laid it over with different paints and used opposite colors and filled in the background. So basically, you're going to be as creative as you want to with your self-portrait. As an exit ticket, please tell me which artists you were inspired by the most to be creative to do your self-portrait, as well as if you would like to write maybe a paragraph or two in regards to the expression or how you're feeling with the times going on today, and what inspired you to create your portrait. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.